In an era dominated by technology, the profession of traditional blacksmiths stands as a testament to timeless craftsmanship. These artisans are renowned for forging metal into intricate designs, using both ancient techniques and modern innovations. With accessibility through apprenticeships and workshops, blacksmithing becomes a realistic career choice for those passionate about hands-on creation. Besides producing custom tools and art, blacksmiths often contribute to sustainable practices by repurposing scrap metal. In doing so, they preserve ancient skills while nurturing an appreciation for handmade, eco-friendly products.